dust swirl stage. It is also called the whirl stage, but it does not matter what name you use, just either one of those. I put dust swirl stage. Number 2 is the organizing stage. Number 3 is the mature stage. Number 4 is the shrinking stage. And number 5 is the decaying stage. The fourth topic I would like to elaborate on is hurricanes. Hurricanes are a type of storm that is developed in the ocean and can turn into a whirlwind storm. These bad boys have a higher damage level comparing to tornadoes. Hurricanes are a huge threat to any country. Since we are in the United States, I decided to share with you the top 5 states in the United States that have had the most damage due to a hurricane. These are listed in order: Florida, Texas, Louisiana, North Carolina, and South Carolina. This is according to the National Hurricane Center. There are 4 stages for a hurricane. Those are the tropical disturbance, the tropical depression, a tropical storm, and a tropical cyclone. A tropical cyclone happens to be the hurricane. And real quick, I'm just going to tell you the main parts of a hurricane. The green right here is the eye of the storm. The orange right here is the eye wall. The yellow is the spiral rain bands, and in this case for the pink, I decided the storm would be moving counterclockwise. So the pink shows that the hurricane is moving counterclockwise. The final portion of the module I am going to debrief on is how to predict the weather. In order to predict the weather, you need to be able to take measurements of the factors that influence weather. For instance, a radar helps scientists collect data on cloud cover. This includes what kind of cloud it is and what time of the day did the cloud form. Another radar scientists and law enforcement use is called the Doppler radar. The Doppler radar uses the Doppler effect. This effect analyzes a specific kind of difference between outgoing and returning waves. The reason law enforcement uses the Doppler radar is because traffic officers needed to determine the speed of the vehicles on the road. Once all the data is gathered up, it is put on something meteorologists use called a weather map. On my weather map I have, if you would pass this right there, and pass it to the first one. Thank you. On my weather map, I have created little black lines around the U.S. These are called isobars. Isobars are the representation of equal atmospheric pressure. If you see the H that I have on my map between the cities of Houston and Miami, the H is going to tell you that there is high atmospheric pressure. The L in the northeast section of my map tells you that the atmospheric pressure is low. On my weather map, I have created the 4 weather fronts on my map. I will tell you which one is which. If you see the blue line with triangles, that represents a cold front. The red line with ovals represent a warm front. The purple line with ovals on one side and triangles on the other is a stationary front. And the purple line with oval and triangles on the same side equals a occluded front. Thank you for listening to my presentation.